Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make slime. So first, today we're going to learn how to make fluffy slime. So today you can use 2 bottles of glue, or however much glue you put in it, that's how much slime you're gonna get. Alright? Okay, stop. So, I got...
Her name's Camera Butthead.
I got this big one.
Her name's Butthead.
Kaden, quit. So now I'm opening it and I'm gonna pour however much glue. I'm gonna pour a lot because I'm gonna do that. So I'm going to put that much. I'll show you just a minute after I put this top on. I'm going to show you how to make fluffy slime. So then make sure you have a container to put this thing in. So you can kind of see how I got it. Okay. Alright. And then you need shaving cream. I've been using too much, so I need to go get the other bottle. If you're going to insist making this a lot, then get 2 or 3 a bottle. So. Ouch. Shake it up first. The trick is to put to less than the glue. Right? See that? Okay. And then you're going to grab dishwash. You got to have dishwash. Alright? Wait, I forgot something. Don't put the dishwash. First, put whatever color.
I pour out these pennies.
I don't care. I'm gonna use purple. So I'm just gonna pour purple. Alright, you can use, let's see, how much can you use? So you can use dye, or you can use food coloring, or you can use paint. Alright? Any of that will work. So then you start stirring. I'll show you in a minute how it looks. See, look. Alright, can I see? And then I need more paint because try to cover as much as white spots as you can. So if you still see white spots, just add more.
I saw white spots, those are weird.
Go find your friend Ian.
No, I don't have to, weirdo.
Alright. Oh, you don't have no friends? Oh, okay.
I do.
And then now you pour this. A little bit. Stop, Kane. So you stir it. It'll make it a little bit more active.
It's gonna suck.
Kaden, leave me alone. Kaden! Stop! I'm telling.
Okay.
Alright. Now, we're going to use our activator. It's borax. Alright? I'll go get the borax.
Hey, stop!
Here's the borax. Well, you just can't pour the borax in there. You're going to have to get a little cup and then pour a lot of water and then pour some of the borax. Alright? Powder. So I already have the mixture, and then you mix in that. Only put a tiny bit. And it will start working.
I've got my, it is bouncing.
Look, I'll show you. See, look. You can kind of see a knot there. Okay? And if it's not coming together, add a little bit more, tiny bit more each time. So my still not working, so I'm gonna add some more. It's still liquidy, so I need to add a little bit more. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. See how it's turning in? So I'm adding a little bit more each time. If you add too much, then it won't become stretchable, right? I shouldn't have wiped this on my pants. Okay. So I need to add a little bit more, and then I'm just going to stir. Just going to add a little bit more. So this is how it looks like. Ew! See how it's like sticky? Oh yeah, the boards will stop it from getting sticky too. Alright? If you don't follow these directions, you're not going to have some glue. And if you be greedy, do not do this without your parents' permission. What?
Your slime's out. It's been out.
Is it still squishy? Go check. Yeah. Alright, now I'm going to pick it up. Bring it here! So I'm going to get it. It's so sticky.
Here you go.
See? It's still stretchy. Throw this away.
I can have it.
Go ahead and have it. Might want to get a baggie out of the cabinet. Alright. So mine's still like sticky. Alright. So I'm going to add like a little bit more borax mixture. If you want more color in it, just put more of that of the color that you had, alright? Yep. So you can see how it's like stretchy. And it's like not that sticky. which I want it to be something, so I'm gonna put some more glue. If you want more, wait, actually no, I got. I'm gonna make another video I'm gonna do it right now to show you how to make it sticky. All right. So first, all right. So I'm gonna go get the 3 ways. All right, I'll be right back. So here's a way how to make your slime sticky. Lotion, you have to add like the whole bottle of lotion, and the perfume is just like the lotion. You have to add a lot, like until it makes a puddle, depending how big it is. All right. So here's mine. Right? Okay. So that's how. Okay. Here. So I'm gonna flip it so you can see it. All right. All right. So I'm gonna obviously make it flat, and then first we're gonna try this. We're not gonna do the perfume or lotion because you know you have to add a lot of that, so we're not gonna do that. So just move it up. You have to use this kind. It won't work if you don't use this kind. All right. So you put this much, right? And so you just pull it, bring it in. 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 And you start working it with your hands. If it's not becoming sticky, then just add some more. Alright? What are you doing? So now I'm starting to work it. See, it's starting to get sticky. Ew, see, it's starting to get sticky. So it's starting to get sticky. Now, when it starts like getting all over the place, you might want to put it in the container. Right. So now start working with your hands. And if it starts getting sticky, that means it's working. If it's not working, then you need to add some more. I'm just working with it. I'll try lotion and perfume. It works, but not for me. See it. When it starts getting dry, that means it's starting to get sticky, alright? Yep. Alright. So I'm going to put that in here and see how it looks. Sticky. So I'm just going to keep on playing with it. is getting so sticky. Where did I put it? Sticky. Oh my gosh, I never put that much. The more deodorant you put in, the more stickier it will get. I put too much. It will stick. No. Do not get this on your hair. Or anything it will stick to. Even your clothes, even your mouth. Right? If your mom said that you can't do this, don't do it. First, let her watch my video so you can see. See how it's getting off? First, it was like all sticky on me, but now, look. Here, you want me to show you an example? Alright. You see all that? Yeah. Watch this. I put this on when spots were horrible, and look, voila! See? Try. Right now, look. If you leave it in like one place on your hand, look, watch. Alright, so make sure you don't do that. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. No. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Bye.